Hello and welcome to Excel Highway. Meet Connecteam, today's video sponsor. Connecteam is an all-in-one solution for managing employees designed for the non-desk workforce. Connecteam simplifies business operations and helps you manage, train, and communicate with your non-desk employees effortlessly. In today's video, I will cover some of Connecteam's features: their time clock management, scheduling shifts.
Your employees can clock in and out using their phone and Connecteam's mobile app. You as the manager will of course see all of your employees' actions in the desktop version very easily. Let me show you the manager's dashboard on the desktop version. So once you logged into your company account, click on the time clock icon on the left-hand menu. From here, select Access Clock, and you'll be greeted with a clear, organized view of your team's time inputs. You'll automatically see today's clock in and outs. Clicking on one of your employees will show a detailed breakdown of their timesheet. In the detailed screen, you can see each day when the clock in and out occurred, which job, any time off, for example, this one, and other information. As the manager or the admin, you can also make changes and manual adjustments to the timesheets. Let's make some adjustments to the timesheets. So for example, let's say I want to add a job that I did. Okay, so I just added it manually. You can see this comment over here, created by me at the timestamp, and you have the daily total. So as the manager, you can decide if and how to use GPS location with your employees clocking in and out. So there are three options. I want to show you them. You go over here to your settings, and there is the geolocation. So the three options are breadcrumbs, which will track the ongoing travel of your employee. I think this is mostly useful for deliveries and things like that. You have the clock in and out, so that's only for the in and out, and disabled. So those are your three options for tracking the geolocation. Let me show you how it works from the employee's perspective.
When your employee accesses the app through the mobile phone, this is the screen they will see. On the top, there's the time clock, and you can see it's accessing my geolocation. I'm going to clock in, select the job, and you can see the time is starting to run. I can click on Start Break, and I have some issues with my geolocation, but I started the break, and you can see I have either a lunch break or a rest break, which I'll show you soon how you can set that up. I want to start my lunch break, and I'm going to click on End Break, Return to Job. And eventually I'm going to click on End Shift. I'm going to review my hours, and I can confirm. Also here I can take a look at my timesheet, and for example I can take a look at yesterday. I see my hours, my clock in and out. Let's say I want to change something. I'll click on Edit. I want to say that I clocked in at 8:30, and this will need to be approved by my manager. They'll see this as a request. And also through here I can take a look to add another request for time off. Let's say I want time off the 4th of March for 2 days. It's going to be time off. I'm going to send that for approval as well. Once it's confirmed by my boss, I'll see it as time off.
Connecteam offers direct integrations to payroll platform. You can search for it here in time clock under settings. So these are the integrations that are available. And if you don't see your integration here, you can also request, and the support team from Connecting should help you. On top of that, you can export the information in a few different ways using the export button. So, for example, I want to export my timesheets. I can click on export, and I can export as a PDF or an Excel file, and I can use if I want to manage my payroll that way. How Connecteam can revolutionize your scheduling process, making it faster and easier than ever. Let's dive in. Once you're logged into your company account, click on Job Scheduling icon on the left-hand menu. From there, select Access Schedule, and you'll be greeted with a clear, organized view of your team's schedule. This view shows your employees over here, the scheduled shifts for each employee, and the unassigned shifts over here. Let's start a new week and see how easy it is to add and assign shifts. So first off, I want to clear the schedule because I already have something here. Now I can do this manually. I can click one by one, click on delete, or I can use the quick action buttons over here. I can click on clear week. The schedule is clear and ready to be set up. One of my favorite features is the ability to copy last week's schedule. So I can click again on actions, click on copy previous week, click on copy. And you can see that it just takes whatever schedule I had last week compared to this one and copies it. Let's see what I can do to assign people. I can drag the schedule, drag the shifts to each line, and it'll be scheduled. But what I can also do is I can click on auto assign, which will auto assign the shifts for each employee. That's going to take into account their availability, their qualifications, and their roles. So I'm going to go ahead and click. You can see you can ignore that, of course, but that doesn't make any sense. So I'm just going to auto assign and let that run. Okay, take me to the schedule. And so this is now set up, and you can see for each employee how many shifts they have and how many hours. Now, I want to show you how you can add a shift manually. So there's a few options. I click on here and add shift, and you can see that I have a template. Okay, I have templates which are pre-built, which is what I recommend. You can completely build it from scratch. This is more for a one-time shift, start, end date, the date itself, location, title, job, the user's location, and notes. But let's go ahead and use a template, which is the third option, is a combination. So you can take a template and make some adjustments. All right, so this shift is actually from 9:30 through 9:30 p.m. So it's a 12-hour shift. And here I can change the repetition, how many repetitions for this shift. So this is going to create a recurring task for 5, but I can cancel the repeat, so it's just a one-time thing. Okay, so right now it's every 1 week. All right, ends after 5. The title itself, let's say second cook. The job from my job's possibilities, so I'll take soup of the day. I can change the color. Okay, I can add users that can basically be assigned to it. And I can click the enable users to claim this shift so they can actually assign themselves. I can type in a location. Okay, so this could be shopping mall, let's say. And I can click on the note and add a note. Please review the tasks in the shift. This is also something very nice that you have shift tasks. So you can add a shift task and they can mark it as complete or not when they access the shift. And that's how you can create a new shift. All right, I can save that as a template, so I'll have a new template. And you can see I already assigned the 3 users to the second cook. So that was actually a mistake. But if I remove those 2 and publish, now it's only for Jessica. Until you publish your schedule, it's not confirmed and your employees won't see it. I'm going to go ahead and click on publish. And now I have a schedule built and the employees will get an email and also notification on the app. That's it. In just a few minutes, we've created a clear, efficient schedule for the entire team.
Here's how it looks like from the employee's perspective. You can click on the job scheduling button. That's going to show you your job schedule. And if I scroll down, I can see the shifts that I assigned to myself earlier on. Click on the shift. I can see more information about it. Click on the open tasks. I can see the tasks and actually mark them as complete. And I can confirm the shift here or reject. I can chat. So a lot of things that I can do over here.
Here's the best part. Connecteam offers a completely free, unlimited plan for businesses up to 10 employees. If your team is larger, no worries. You can try all of Connecteam's features for free with 14-day trial, no credit card needed. Using Connecteam, you can easily create and send schedules, accurately track work hours, the digital timesheets, manage tasks, and get payments right time and again. Use my affiliate link in the description to get started today.
Or scan this QR code to sign up.
Don't wait. Streamline your scheduling and business management with Connecteam now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.